Hello guys, today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to add a flash effect to your photo or video in Capcut app. So please watch the video till end and also give a like and subscribe to our channel. So let's get started. First of all, open Capcut app. Now tap on new project. Now here tap on photos and here add your photo. You want to add a flash effect or your video. Okay, after that tap on overlay. Now tap on add overlay and here tap on white color. Now tap on add. Now I am telling you how can you get this white color. For this, minimize it and go to Google and here tap white color image. You can download it from here. Here are a lot of white color images, or if you have Pixel Lab app, you can make white color here. First of all, tap on this option below and here tap on color. Now tap on color option above and here select white color. Now OK. Now delete this text option. After that, save it and here save as image. Now save to gallery option. Okay, so you learned that how can you get this white color. After that, decrease its duration. Decrease the duration of this white color and tap on splice option and here tap on overlay option. Now OK. Now let's play the video to see. Let's play the video again. Okay, so the flash effect has been added to our video. Now copy it. Now copy it many times. Now copy it here. Copy again. Again. Now let's play the video. Let's play the video again. Okay, so you see that flash effect has successfully added to our video. So I hope you will like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks, goodbye.